Our future at New Holland and the future of agriculture will be built on the foundations of sustainability. To ensure food security and to feed a fast-growing population with limited resources is a major challenge. But we are committed to succeeding by continuing to develop increasingly innovative and efficient products and solutions to mechanize agriculture. New Holland's vision of the future is rooted in its Clean Energy Leader strategy launched in 2006 and which explains exactly what sustainability means for New Holland. One of its main pillars is the further development of precision land management technology, which is driving efficient productivity. Nothing provides a better view into the future than the latest New Holland Concept autonomous tractor, which uses technology developed by CNH Industrial. The NH Drive Concept Tractor is independent, driverless and features complete remote control and monitoring of both tractor and implement. It will free up labor to be deployed elsewhere, allow full 24/7 operations and eliminate operator error while ensuring maximum efficiency and increased profitability. Our autonomous tractor is so advanced that even after it's been pre-programmed for a day's work, it can be modified in response to changing conditions. In the future, it will even be able to respond to live weather data. Farmers are alerted when obstacles are encountered and can remotely approve rerouted paths to avoid them. But crucially, our new NH Drive Concept Tractor can also work alongside existing machines in a farmer's fleet. And as well as being easily integrated into existing fleets, it can be operated either with or without a driver, so it offers the ultimate in flexibility. And it seamlessly integrates into New Holland's precision land management. Allowing them to make informed decisions to boost their overall productivity and efficiency. And this autonomous tractor proves that advances in PLM technology are set to play an ever more central role. It's not revolution, but continuous evolution that will redefine the agriculture of tomorrow.
Hi, good morning. Welcome to the Farm Progress Show. I am Rob Zemenchik. I'm the Advanced Farming Systems Manager for the Case IH brand. Case IH is very proud today to unveil the Autonomous Concept Vehicle. This is a cabless, driverless tractor that we have developed, and we're eager to hear from our customers on what they think the cabless, driverless tractor will provide for them in the future. We took an existing 370 horsepower CVT tractor and we incorporated the very latest in autonomous technology into the tractor to provide the solution you see behind me. What we do is we take a pre-planned path through the field and allow the tractor to complete, say, a planting task. While it's doing this, the grower through the internet can supervise the tractor so that if any obstacles are detected or any aberrations in its execution of the task occurs, he can intervene and approve and carry on. We know that there are different levels of autonomy that customers will be most interested in. What you see behind me is the full expression of autonomy in the full cabless tractor, driverless tractor. We also developed a concept where we kept the cab on it so that part of the time it could be an autonomous tractor, and if there were tasks less suitable for autonomy, the tractor could go and execute those. So for example, planting, where there are pre-planned paths, would be a great opportunity for full autonomy. But if we were, say, unloading a semi-load of fertilizer fertilizer with a loader, we would want to be there with the tractor and do that. We've been working many years on developing this tractor you see here for today's launch. This incorporated involvement with other industry experts. Well, today, looking forward, the commercialization of this will take some time. We're monitoring carefully our customer feedback to understand what the interest level is and what suggestions they might have for various applications of autonomy. So there's no set timeline just yet, but we're also watching carefully any regulatory environment as it emerges, along with new advances in obstacle detection, guidance, and other technologies.
This video is brought to you by Farms.com.